Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe so you can stay on top of all those new videos. I have my March Sips by box ready to unbox with you guys, so let's just get right into it. Sips by is a really cool subscription service. You fill out like a questionnaire and then they send you like these tailored boxes every month specific to what you like. So let's see what they came up with for me for the month of March. There's always this postcard, and on the back it has all the different teas that are in the box and like a little description, ingredients, but I like to be surprised, so I won't take a look at that yet. And then we always have our disposable tea filters in a reusable tea bag, but I save these for on the occasion that I will be traveling. I can just make like little tea bags out of my favorite loose teas and throw them in like a container to travel with. And then we get to the teas. The first one I see is Umami Gourmet Coffee and Exotic Tea is the company, and it's a black tea called Maple Snow Cream. That sounds amazing. Next we have Umlicious Me Teas and Brews Yerba Cocoa Balm. So it looks like it's a mate with coconut, cinnamon, and cocoa chips. So it's chocolate, coconut, and cinnamon. That sounds really good too. I love me a yerba mate, and Sips by is always coming through with those for me. Next we have Cookie Teas Macadamia Nut Cookie. Ooh, I love macadamia nut cookies. Especially the ones when I used to go to Subway when I was younger. They had those really good like white chip macadamia cookies. Oh my gosh, it's like literally the only time I like white chocolate is in like a macadamia nut cookie or in like tea and coffee. This sounds really good. It's a green tea. It has almond bits, papaya, white cocoa butter splits, and it's always the cutest packaging. I love this like lavender gingham with the little cat peeking out. So cute. Ooh, this one looks like a sleepy tea. It's called Dreamweaver, the Sleep Well Tea by Happy Lucky's Loose Leaf Tea. And I like it because we can see how the tea looks. Oh, and it has valerian root. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. I haven't had a good sleepy tea in my collection for quite a while. Pretty awesome variety in this box. We have a green tea, we have a caffeine free, we have a black tea blend, and a yerba mate blend. So all really good. No straight teas in this box, and I don't really mind because I've been receiving a lot of straight black teas, and I don't like straight black teas. Like, it's not like I don't like them, it's just I don't drink them. So I'm really glad I don't have that in this box. And there's a black tea blend, and I think this is the one I want to try, the Maple Snow Cream. I love maple in teas. This sounds delicious. And it actually snowed this morning, so there's snow on the ground right now. I'm getting a little sick and tired of it, but let's see if we can celebrate it with this snow cream tea. So I'm gonna open it up and get it steeping. Ooh, it smells so good, and oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this huge chunk of cinnamon, this big cinnamon stick. Oh, beautiful. So I have my glass tea mug and my metal basket infuser. I am back to selling these guys on Amazon. If you need a perfect, reliable tea infuser that is easy to clean, super durable, I got you. Click that link in my description box. So I'm just gonna scoop it. Oh my gosh, there's popcorn in this. Oh, this is something David's Tea used to do, the tea company I used to work for. Oh my gosh. I love this already. Okay, so let me get a real nice scoop into my cup. Then we'll pour in our hot water. And now we can set this aside while we check out the loose tea and the ingredients. So I definitely smell like that maple vibe and the cinnamon. Before I get ahead of myself, let's read all the information on the bag. So this is a black tea called Maple Snow Cream, and it says, Imagine drizzling cinnamon maple syrup with hints of smoke atop fluffy white snow. This wintry mix offers dimensional flavor profiles, great with cream and sugar. And the ingredients, we have to go to the postcard for that because it's not on the packaging. It's black tea, cinnamon rods, maple syrup, popcorn, safflower petals, and white cornflower blossoms. The perfect tea to pay homage to Canadian tradition. This cozy tea tastes like drizzled cinnamon maple syrup with hints of smoke atop fluffy white snow. All right, so let's dump this out onto the plate and see what the tea looks like. Oh, I love, like, you can smell that like smoky vibe. Like it smells like a tea campfire. So that popcorn piece and that big cinnamon stick are in my cup, and those were the only ones in here since we do have just like a sample amount, but I assume if you buy like a larger amount you would get more. But really pretty and colorful with like the safflower and what was it, cornflower? White cornflower blossoms. So I want to check out their website, see what we can find out about Umami tea. They are located in Illinois, which is really cool because so am I. So it looks like this is like a physical tea store that I could like literally walk into. And here's like a little clip on their Instagram of what their store looks like. And it looks like the owner has her own YouTube channel, so I'm gonna have to look for her. But she is super cute. There she is in her shop. And let's look at like the actual website to see if there's the About Us so we can learn a little more about Umami tea. About Us. Umami was founded in 2008 by a tea enthusiast who combined her passion for premium loose tea with her dream of someday owning a business. At Umami, a special emphasis is placed on customer service. We strive to provide the ultimate tea purchasing and shopping experience. I wish there was more. You know me, I like to know a little more about like the brands and the owner of the brand. So there is a little to be desired there. So here's some examples of other teas they have. Autumn Spice Black Tea, Birds of a Feather Black Tea. It looks like that has some cloves, maybe orange peels. Kicking Limeade Fruit Tea, Pomegranate White Tea, Hazelnut Brittle Oolong, Lemon Basil Refresh Oolong. Okay, so they have some really cool blends, but it looks like they have some straight teas also. So they look kind of like a good one-stop shop if you're looking to stock up on like your regular favorites and try something unique. I love how the basil one sounds. That sounds really good, especially in an oolong. Very interesting. I say we go ahead and remove our infuser so we can give the tea a try. It smells really good. It smells almost like it has a chai vibe from like that black tea and that cinnamon, I'm sure. But let's try it. It's really nice. I'd say the main components are the black tea and the cinnamon, and then I do get like a hint of the maple. I can imagine that this would be really good with some like cream and sugar or milk and sugar. Or made as a tea latte would be pretty incredible. I like that she called it maple snow cream because it like adds to that seasonal festiveness, because this definitely is like a snowy day tea. Those comforting flavors like the maple and the cinnamon like really are just like what you need on a day like today for me. Really warming and nice. I'm looking forward to finding the owner of Umami Tea's YouTube channel and watching her videos and seeing like if she talks about tea, if she talks about her tea brand, kind of what her story is. But I'm glad I discovered a new cool woman-owned brand. And I'd say Sips By did pretty great with this box. I like this one, this black tea blend. And honestly, everything else sounds great. I really can't imagine I won't love all of these. So I say 10 out of 10 for Sips By this month for my March box. Really fabulous. I love receiving Sips By boxes. They have been such a blessing to me, so I hope you guys enjoy seeing these unboxing videos. I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy, and I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.